Okay, students, I'm going to try to show you how to do this within just about 5 to 6 minutes. So pay close attention. Put me on pause and read the question all the way through one time. When you're ready to start, unpause. Okay, so if you've read it, you're going to start hiking up a hill. So we have something called time. It's how much time in minutes takes us for a hike. And the second thing we have is the height in feet. All right, so we're ready to go. So we start at the base of the hill with no time has expired, and we are 0 feet high. So this is what you could cross out. You climb steadily for 20 minutes and reach a height of 200 feet. So we're going to start at 20 minutes because you add 20 to 0, and you reach a height of 200 feet. Since the path is blocked, you have to descend for 10 minutes and reach a height of 150 feet. So we're done with this. Now we're going to work with this. Add 10 to 20 and you get 30. Now notice what it says, and you reach a height of 150 feet. We're not going to add this time 150 to 200. We're going to reach a height of 150 feet. Okay, so we're done with all this. Now, it takes you 15 minutes to cross a suspension bridge. Okay, so what's a suspension bridge? Well, a suspension bridge, and let me draw a picture of one. If this is your hill and this is the other side of the hill, then the suspension bridge is going to connect these two parts of the hill. And here you are crossing it. Notice you don't go up or down, you just cross straight across. So that means it takes you 15 minutes, add 15 to 30, you get 45. And in 45 minutes, you're still at the same height. All right, so we're done with all this. Then you descend to the base of the hill in 20 minutes. So it takes you 20 minutes. At 20 to 45, you get 65. And since you're going back down to the base of the hill, you're now at 0. All right, so that's all the ordered pairs we need to graph. So you go to Edulastic. And notice right here, there's this button called segment. Okay, what a segment is 2 points that connect with a line. So you're going to click on it. Now, the first point would be 0, 0. So this is 0, 0. Notice it says A, so that's what you want to see. The next one you want to see is B. So I go to 20 minutes, and I go up to 200 feet. And when I put my dot right there, notice it says B. That's what I want to see. Now my next segment starts at B. Notice what happens when I click back on B. It changes to C. Now the next dot I make, it's going to connect the two dots. So I want to go to 30 minutes and then up to 150 feet and click this, and notice it gives me D. Now I want to go from D to E, but I have to start right here at D. Notice D changes to E. Now I want to go back across the suspension bridge 150 feet for 45 minutes. So I'm going to cross right there. Notice it changed to F. Now I want to start at F at 45 minutes and get to 65 minutes, which is 20 minutes. And I want to get to 0. So here we go. I'm going to click this F, change it to G, and now come all the way down to 65 minutes. Change it to G. And that's what it needs to look like. So you have to click on the starting point, the end point, and then when you want to do the next one, you have to click on the starting point and go to the end point, and the letters change again. All right, so that's how you graph with Edulastic.